I remember one day my dad asked what I was going to do with English speaking, what benefit I was going to get after I became fluent in English. I had no answer, and now I realize how important it was for me to learn English. Yesterday I talked to one of the overseas clients, and I had a very good conversation. We were on a call, and that was Zoom meeting for more than an hour. I cracked that deal of 20,000 in my first call, first email and first meeting. And I was overwhelming after finishing that meeting. I did not believe what just happened. But it happened because of my long effort, my dedication which I had put into getting this fluency. I never went out of my practice. I still have so many imperfection in my speech. Whenever I come in front of a camera, I still have sometimes this uncomfortness, and sometimes I also get stuck and forget my speech. I take times and I take a pause whenever I forget my speech, or whenever I forget any word, or when I don't recall any particular word. I take time and then I continue with that. That is why I am now in this situation and in this level where I went on a call with overseas client and I cracked a deal. And that was my first call which I had with someone from out of our country. And I feel privileged about having this fluency. I feel privileged, and it did not happen just in 1 day or 2 days or in a week. It happened in a long run. So every day I make sure that I practice at least for 10-15 minutes. That is when you also get good fluency if you are not fluent. Remember always, so never go out of practice, and always make sure that you put your effort and hard work, and sooner or later you will get a result. Bye bye. See you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Keep smiling.